kids! Today we're going to learn how to make a peanut butter sandwich. So you're probably asking, why should I eat a peanut butter sandwich? Well, not only are they delicious, they are also very good for you. They hold about 8 grams of protein, which is good for your body, great for your muscles, for girls, great for your hair and your nails. So what you will need is you will need about 2 slices of bread. You will need some peanut butter. Oops. Now, if you want to make it sweet, you can always add some jelly. The most important part about making a peanut butter sandwich is when you are making your peanut butter sandwich, you always want to use a butter knife because your butter knife will spread the peanut butter evenly. And when you're spreading your peanut butter, you want to make sure you spread it slowly. This avoids tearing the bread. Super easy. I hope you enjoy it.